Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade donuts step by step. First, let's get our dough ready. Start by combining warm milk, yeast, and a small amount of sugar in a bowl. Let it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. Then, in a larger bowl, mix in flour, more sugar, eggs, and melted butter. Combine these ingredients with your yeast mixture. Knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic, then let it rise. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and roll it out on a lightly floured surface. Aim for a thickness of about 1/2 inch. Now, use a donut cutter or 2 different sized round cutters to create your donut shapes and the holes. Carefully transfer these cut donuts onto squares of parchment paper. This helps prevent sticking and makes them easier to handle. Let them rise again for about 30 to 45 minutes. Now for the exciting part, frying. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully lower 1 or 2 donuts into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for 60 to 90 seconds on each side until they are beautifully golden brown. While they cool slightly, whisk together powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract for a delicious glaze. With your donuts fried and glaze ready, it's time to finish them off. Dip each warm donut into the glaze, ensuring it's fully coated. You can also get creative with toppings like sprinkles, a chocolate drizzle, or a dusting of cinnamon sugar. These homemade treats are perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade donuts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.